Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais Hair. So I will be showing you all how I got this gorgeous twist out on my hair. So the first thing I will be using is some water in a spray bottle, my foam wrap lotion, a white tooth comb, a rat tail comb, and 4 perm rods since I will only be doing 4 twists today. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your hair is super damp. So right here I am spritzing my hair with plain water in my water bottle. And yeah, my hair was damp before that, but I towel dried, so it got a little bit dry. So I want to make sure my hair is super damp for the best results on my twist outs. And I still haven't bought any hair clips, so I had to use a band again. And now I am applying my foam wrap lotion to that first section. And you want to be generous with your foam wrap lotion, and you can use any foam wrap lotion of your choice. Just make sure that it is moisturizing and it doesn't contain any drying alcohols. And then I am combing that foam wrap lotion to my hair just to make sure it is evenly distributed throughout my hair. Comb, and now it's time to part my first section off. So with the twists, I realized that I have to part my hair precisely, or else my hair gets like snag while I'm twisting one section. So to avoid that, make sure that you part your hair precisely. And then this is another important part, which is smoothing out the ends, the relaxed ends. You want to use a rat tail comb to ensure that the hair is super smooth. And then right here I am twisting my hair, so you just grab 2 pieces of hair, and it's like a regular twist, but instead you're picking up hair as you go. And as you can see, while I twist, every time I twist the hair, I smooth the hair down with the comb, because the hair does get a bit tangled, being that I have a lot of new growth. And one of the key important things for a super great twist out is to make sure that you constantly smooth the hair as you twist. You want the hair to be as smooth as possible. If the hair is jumbled up, then you won't get super sleek results. And after twisting that section, I just use a perm rod and roll the ends just to make sure that the ends are super tightly curled, and it just have more definition at the ends when you put the curlers at the ends, especially being that, you know, I have a lot of new growth. It's thick at the roots and the ends are thinner. I want to really camouflage, you know, the difference between the thickness of the hair. And then I put a little bobby pin on the twist just so that the curl don't turn backwards and I end up with like flip curls. So yeah, I repeat the same thing on the second section of hair. And remember to comb as you twist to keep the hair detangled and smooth. So I almost forgot to mention that using a setting spray or a setting mousse helps the curls to last longer, and it also helps your curls to set. So if you do not use a setting spray or a setting mousse, then as soon as you loose out your hair and then you go out, you won't have any curls in your hair at all, and it most likely won't last to the end of the week. So when I use a setting mousse, my curls can last for up to like 3 to 4 days. And I will leave a video on how I preserve my curls at night down below. So I'm not gonna lie, twisting this section is really awkward. Twisting the other side of your head. If you're familiar with braiding your hair, you know that, the side that you're most dominant with is much more easier to do, and then you have that awkward side. So that is it for me. And trying this twist out, I was really skeptical, being that I am 6 months post, but I just wanted to see how it would come out, since I'm really used to doing twist outs on freshly relaxed hair. Also, make sure that you twist your hair with tension and you do not let go of the ends before you put the perm rod on. So right here, I am just spraying some water on my hair just to make sure it is more damp before I sit under the hooded dryer. And then I just apply some gel to my edges and then tie it down with a little scarf so that they can dry a bit sleek. So whenever you use any sort of setting spray or mousse, you want to apply heat to it. And when I say heat, I mean indirect heat under a hooded dryer. So the setting spray and mousse is designed so that heat can be applied. That is how you activate the product. And the setting spray can leave your hair much more shinier, and it also helps to hold your curls and styles much more longer. So the only thing I asked for is that this twist out looks really good, and I did not waste my time yesterday sitting under that dryer and twisting up this hair. The prayers we have to do for these styles, it's crazy. Okay, so I'm taking off my satin bonnet. It is the next day. I only sat under the dryer for 1 hour, and then I just let it air dry overnight. So as you can see, I took the scarf wrap thingy off while I was exercising earlier because I didn't want to get it sweaty. But yeah, my edges poofed up anyways because I sweated. But whatever, let's take this hair down now. Okay, I'm just taking out the rods. Is it dry? Oh yeah, it's fully dry. Last week was a total fail, guys. Like, oh my goodness. I learned my lesson trying to do a twist out and have somewhere to be in 3 hours. Like, no, that do not go. When you're doing a twist out or any type of setting, just make sure you have the whole day available because it is not going to work out. So I don't really loose out my twist outs any special way, but what I make sure I do is start at the very ends and then work my way up really gently, making sure I do not cause too much frizz. I don't really open up the curls that much on the first day because I want it to last at least a few days. So I avoid doing that. And my hair doesn't look that bad for 6 months post. I was really scared on how it would come out, but it came out really pretty, even with all of the new growth. So right here, I just take my fingers and pull through to get rid of the parts. If you have a pick, that would be like much more better. I really need to invest in a pick, by the way. Okay, so this is the part I never like when doing my twist out, styling it. Like, it's always a pain because it's like you take down these beautiful curls and you just want to go with them like that. But how should I style this hair? Should I do a deep part over here? Have this come like that? That looks so weird. I should try something new. Yeah, I think I want to pin up the sides. I think this will look cute. So after figuring out how I want to style my twist out, I decided to go for 2 twists on the side and then just wear the middle part down in a bang. So I just twist it up and then bobby pin it in place on the side. And then I take the front section and pin it down with a bobby pin so that it can stay down and it doesn't fly up while I'm outside. So yeah, this is the end of my twist out tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and I would definitely leave a link to how I maintain my twist out throughout the week and how it looks, and also the tutorial on my hair with freshly relaxed hair. So definitely check them out down below in the description. And yeah, please give this video a rating, and I will see you in my next video.